Welcome to this video on the Dermal Recovery Protocol, a guide focused on pharmacy-grade melanin regulation and skin contrast mastery. In this first phase, we will cover the biology of pigment and how it creates an invisible camouflage that hides your structural authority. We identify two primary factors that reduce facial contrast: visual blur caused by uneven melanin, and subcutaneous depth, which can leave the face looking tired. Melanogenesis is the process of melanin production driven by the enzyme tyrosinase. Recovery involves chemically blocking this enzyme to stop pigment production at its source. Be aware that after UV exposure, tyrosinase activity can peak for up to 72 hours. Chronic exposure leads to a significant reduction in skin contrast. Moving into phase 2, we examine the chemical interventions required to inhibit pigment production and accelerate cellular turnover. To neutralize enzymes, we use gold standard tyrosinase inhibitors like L-ascorbic acid and alpha-arbutin, which provide a protective chemical shield. Regarding dermal penetration, glycolic acid is highlighted for its low molecular weight, making it a superior choice for aggressive cellular turnover. This schedule outlines the routine: morning protection with vitamin C and SPF, followed by evening applications of glycolic acid and barrier repair compounds. Phase 3 is the transformation. By removing pigment noise, you reveal the natural high-contrast shadows that define your facial structure. This 12-week roadmap takes you from initial barrier priming and baseline habits to achieving peak skin clarity and contrast. To optimize your build, you can download our complete skincare and hormonal optimization guide at the link provided on the screen. This final slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.